Mr. Viren, Karan, what should I call you?
You can call me Karan.
I'll call you Karan. Okay, because this time it's about Diwali wish. I want to, first of
Right.
all, on behalf of each and every member of our forum and all your fans all across the globe, World Wide Web, .indiatvforum.net, want to wish you a very joyous, a very happy, and a very, what should I say, colorful Diwali.
Oh, I want to wish everybody just the same. I hope all of you all have a great time. Have a blast. Ball on the crackers, the good food, the pujas, everything. Just enjoy the festival. It's once a year. Chill it.
Right, and thank you so much. And so I don't want to even, because if I mention a few fans' names and don't mention a few others, I get into trouble too. So this is from every fan of yours who are only growing in multitude. And I don't know if you ever follow your wall or if you see even the Ek
Right.
Hazar Wala, we've all said, Hum aa gaye, old ones, give way to all of us now. So like,
That's
and the
it.
show is lovely. I'm really enjoying it. The locales are exotic, and you are of course doing a brilliant, fabulous job with Crystal, with your
Thanks so much, Abhi.
Jivika, and of course the story, everything, everyone. I think very ably supported by every single star cast there. I think ek se badkar ek, they are all there. And we only wish that this show grows, and I hope they maintain and they keep up the tempo.
No, I'm sure they will, yeah.
And so I just wanted to congratulate you on that. And I have been in touch with your on-screen partner Jivika as well. And that I don't know when we can, but I would love to do a joint one between you two.
Definitely. I guess mine both of us put together.
Yeah, we would love to do because we want to see how the story is shaping and what is happening. And like, we would like to do some banter, fun-filled and all the off-screen things like, for one shot, what all bloopers and things that you all had to do or retake so that we can enjoy when we watch it on screen. That, okay, kind of thing.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, and
Definitely.
okay. And anything else you would like to convey to all your well-wishers?
Just have a very happy Diwali. That's it. It's festival time. I think this is when everything kicks in. There's Diwali, there's Christmas, there's New Year's. There's just so many functions kicking in. So there's Eid, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
There is, right? Somewhere even Eid comes in around Diwali.
Yes.
So I just want to wish everybody a very happy festival year.
Oh,
and have a blast.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you, Karan, and I'm so glad I managed to get you today. So I will not keep you long, and I will let you go. And so, what are you doing for Diwali? Are you working, or have you the day off?
I'm sure we'll all be working on Diwali, but we'll definitely have the evening off. My parents come down, so I'll be spending a lot of time with them.
Right, right. And is the shoot now happening in Bombay, or you're still out of town?
No, the shoot's in Bombay.
The shoot's in Bombay.
We're back to Bombay and we're shooting on the set every day.
Okay, lovely. So yeah, and I think I'm enjoying the show and I put it on record. Even if I travel, I have to come back to catch up with it, and I refuse to see it online because I want to see it on my big screen.
True, I do watch it on the big screen.
Yes, it is. And it is, I think it is getting a lot of good reviews. Everyone here in the UK, I can tell you, are really enjoying it and loving every part of it, be it you two or be it the sibling Jodi as well, who are doing it in a totally different andaz. I think it's best of all.
But I'm so glad everybody's liking the show. That's it's just good to hear that people are enjoying the work that you do.
Yes, and I'm sure, of course, when you come on screen, you know what happens, right? We don't know whether to faint or whether to watch you. What do we do now? You tell us.
I wouldn't actually say I just really like watching.
Yeah, because I think, as you said, I think I have read somewhere that you are this time given more to emote just by your expressions on the face with the minimal dialogues, and I think
Right.
it is bringing out a totally different facet of yours, I suppose, and and I think we are enjoying it. That's all I can say, and I don't want to go on and on.
my writers and my directors are just making my job tougher by not giving me dialogues and expecting me to emote. Like I finally have to start acting now.
Oh, lovely, lovely. And then, of course, that little complaint we had was, there was that Antakshari scene. I wish you could have sung it and not somebody's playback.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
So next time you please convey to your director, your producer, or your thing that when you have an Antakshari scene to also use your voice.
I think they're pretty aware of how bad a singer I am. So
come on,
they don't want to tell the audience.
No. You leave it to us, okay? We'll decide.
There'll be like a statutory warning coming in that Karan singing, please close your ears.
No, and so we will. No, viewer is the king, isn't it? Like customer is the king, the viewer is the king, and the fan is an emperor or empress. So that's our request and our demand. I'm going to put it on that wall now. Next time we need him singing, please.
Definitely. I'll keep that in mind for sure.
Yeah. So I think we'll do one exclusive on the show later, and then we will like to talk. I want to ask you on everything about it because I think, we are quite knowledgeable about everything now. So we will do it at a later date, and I'm sure you must be busy. So I won't keep you any longer. I'll really let you go. So you have, once again, on behalf of every one of us on IndiaTVForum.net, we would like to wish you a very happy festive season and season's greetings.
Thanks so much, Dolly. Wish you guys the same.
Thank you. Bye-bye, and you take care.
Bye.
Hello, Dr. Mannan.
Hello, how are you?
Very good, and wanted to congratulate you on this show. Been following it, and I'm crying again. Why are you being put through this again?
ऐसे ही है भाई डॉक्टरों के साथ ऐसा ही होता है
अच्छा डॉक्टरों के साथ ऐसे ही होता है क्या नहीं यार they should bring another doctor for you now high time they should bring another doctor for you it's okay you've tackled one love now you need another one oh but yeah of course I love to watch you on screen I've told you this time and over again and all your fans we have been putting up on some Facebook wall saying that please utilize Abhinav well he's such a brilliant actor.
Thank you so much.
And anyway, the other main purpose of the call was it's Diwali around the corner, and we would like to first of all wish you on behalf of each and every member of India TV Forum a very happy and a joyous Diwali.
Thank you so much, and same to you. I wish everyone, all my fans, and everyone happy Diwali and a safe Diwali.
And how do you propose to celebrate?
Well, I think I'll be home. I plan to go to my home place. That's in Punjab, but I think I won't be able to because of some work. So I'm going to be in Bombay only, and I'm going to spend my Diwali with near ones.
Okay.
My good friends. And definitely, yes, I'm not bursting much crackers.
Right.
And I'll discourage everyone not to pollute. And I'll request everyone just to light a few candles.
Right.
And worship their respective gods and whatever. And yeah, not to indulge in any sort of what do you call hooliganism after drinking. Some people burst crackers, irritate other people, act as a public hazard. So I request everyone to have a safe Diwali. And yeah, if you want to drink, you can.
But yeah, as long as you're not a nuisance to the rest of the society.
That's right.
Isn't it? Yes, that's fine. So yeah, I think that was very nice as usual because I enjoy talking to you and get all your views as well. And we would like to wish you again all the best. And I really hope and pray that this show gives you to showcase even more of your talent.
Definitely. Even I wish the same for myself.
Oh, nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhinav, and thanks for always attending my call. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Yeah.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है. So there we have the heroine of The very popular show now, along with not her hero, but literally her brother. So without further delay, let me introduce Crystal and Vishal. Hey people.
Yeah.
Hello.
What's up, people?
Okay, so now
Vishnu sing for me एक हजारों में मेरी बहन है.
हाँ, I did know.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है.
Oh, that's
झेलना एक दूसरे को you mean?
Bilkul. What a warm bond, first of all. And once again, before I do all the hodgepodge, welcome to India TV Forum. And this is the first brother and sister duo interview we are doing for the forum and on the occasion of Diwali. So first of all, a very, very, very happy, prosperous, and what should I say? All the good things come to you
Right.
on this Diwali.
Wish you the same, Dolly.
Wish you the same. Happy Diwali, everybody.
Okay. So, चलो आप दोनों बात करो and I am going to be quiet today for a change. नहीं तो मेरी बकबक तो every time people hear.
We speak a lot, Dolly.
How we
You know, we speak a lot.
Once we start speaking, no, we will not stop. And then your recording will get weird.
Yeah, we just keep on babbling any rubbish, and then you have to put beep, 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 beep.
You will have to keep
So-
putting beep, 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 beep.
Actually, you won't believe, Crystal and I are like such people that we don't get tired gossiping about things, you know. I gossip everything with her, you know.
Okay.
So I'm like a brother-sister to her, she's like a brother-sister to me, so it's like that.
अच्छा तो
Yes.
आप
We are two shaitans.
I know. So you are like okay. Always I have believed, Vishal, that it is not women who gossip, but it is men who gossip more. And today,
Yeah, men. Yeah.
Yes, I agree.
I agree as well.
Good, Abhi.
I agree.
You are between two women. You better agree. नहीं तो you had it.
I know.
I know you better agree वरना चप्पल पड़ेंगे.
So tell us, people, what are the plans for Diwali? What are you planning to do this year?
Your my Diwali. No. We should say your Diwali.
No, my Diwali is like shooting for new show. One day I'll get off.
Okay.
That too, I don't know what am I going to do because for
I'm
one
not
day you can't
getting
go.
off on Diwali.
You're not?
Yeah, so-
Oh my God.
I'm not. But it's a good thing. I'm going to be with EHM and BHM. I'm going to be with 1000 mein meri behna ka whole group. And then we'll celebrate Diwali our way.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing. On shoot, we'll be celebrating a Diwali.
Oh.
Yes, I'll be celebrating my Diwali on the shoot.
So,
I'm just happy to work on those days. They're auspicious days. The entire year goes good.
okay.
And it has become like my family anyway. So
Mhm.
it's
Yeah.
like I'm celebrating Diwali with my family.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, हम लोग, of course, we don't have anyway chutti. We always celebrate Diwalis on weekends, you know. So,
Yeah.
so we are working on the festival day in any case. But so, do you all? What message do you all want to give your fans, both your respective fans?
Say, Krishna, shoot.
I just want to say keep blessing me, keep loving me and love Jivika and watch 1000 mein meri behan hai only for me.
Oh, and
I would like to tell all my fans that please bless Christu for her new show and me for my yet another new show. Keep loving us the way you all are loving us right now. And we promise to entertain you all till the time we are attached to this industry.
oh, lovely.
Yes.
So, Vishal, so have you started your new show now?
Not yet. The title is also not yet decided. But soon we'll be starting it. And very soon I'll be giving you an interview. The first interview ever for that show. I'll give it to you.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much, Vishal. And then,
You're welcome.
Crystal, we have a...
I give my first interview to you too.
You did. I know. We are honored. And thanks to Vishal, actually. He was the one who said, please, meri behan ka le lo aap. So I said, of course we will.
Maybe when ka interview le lo aap, Dolly.
Interview
We
le
are
lo,
going
interview.
live right now. Please don't say all these things. Beep. Okay?
No, yeah, Baba re, I don't fall for the same sex, Vishal. Don't worry.
That's what I said. No, when we both start talking, no, everybody will be like, oh, okay, what these guys are talking.
Exactly. When both of us come together, people almost crap in their pants.
Yeah.
And Crystal, one fan of yours, Swati, she wanted me to convey to you saying आप side parting में बहुत अच्छे cute लगते हो, so you should come more on the side parting.
I know I'm getting so many of these comments that please not middle, please side, but I think all of them will have to wait a little more till my शादी. उसके बाद मैं side parting मैं अपने producer से beg करूँगी कि please मुझे side parting दे दो.
ओह तो शादी.
मैं side parting में ही हूँ यार.
और आपका क्या हो रहा है? आपके Kabisha also is in rage now, Vishal.
I know Kabisha is in rage, but the thing is like the shooting is happening such that sometimes like she was in coma for some time, like as you are seeing the story.
Mm-hmm.
So she's been bitten by the vampire, so she's in coma. So for like she hardly comes. So like my scenes don't happen with her, so I don't get to meet her.
Okay.
Once or twice I meet her. Like today I met her, but I couldn't speak.
Oh.
Yeah, I couldn't speak to her about it.
Okay.
So yeah. And nowadays Bombay is behaving very funny. Rather Mumbai is behaving very funny. Since 2 days, it's 3 days. In the evening, there are thunderstorms.
It's pouring like nobody's business in October.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
Oh, really?
And the sky turns like this orangish, bluish color in the evening. At like 4 o'clock in the evening, I'm not able to shoot my day seriously.
Yeah. 4 o'clock in the evening, it's like night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 4 o'clock in the evening, it's night. I don't understand what's happening.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so
God, 2012 तो नहीं end तो नहीं हो रहा है ना?
नहीं इंडिया को कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
इंडिया को कुछ नहीं होने वाला. सारे अच्छे लोग भरे हुए.
As it is, that country runs on राम भरोसे. So हाँ, उसको तो कुछ नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. बाका नहीं.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
जिसको जब टपकना है टपक जाएगा.
हाँ.
So that is good, and so I'm so glad that we could do this, and this is what we are all about, Crystal. Since you're very new to us, we do, I say, buck. We don't have a set question. We don't have a set answer.
Buck, क्या?
We only do buck. We only talk on buck. We don't talk anything. We don't talk anything substantial, but sometimes we do real serious ones as well. So I think next time round we are going to get questions from fans for you, and then you can answer them.
Yes, Pakka. This feels like I'm talking to my friends, I'm just laughing out loud. It's so much fun.
Yeah, because I was actually once told, and I'm myself not a regular reporter or a person who has done journalism or anything. So I was actually given by one star who said, if you give us prepared questions, you will get prepared answers, and then it's not fun anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
So after that, I decided, जो मेरे सर में आता है मैं पूछ लूँ बस.
हाँ, फटाफट.
है ना? And if people like you and Vishal make me feel like as if अरे ये तो मेरे like my jigris who I've grown up with kind of.
Yeah. We keep, you won't believe, Crystal and I have done Ahat together. We met over there, and for like 9 months or 8 months we have done that show. Whosoever has come on that show, any actor, name that actor, and they have become our good friends. They just say that, we are shooting with you, like. They come for like 3 days episode. They shoot for 3 days, and when they go, they are crying. Literally, they had tears. Some of them are like, "Arey yaar, I'll be missing you guys."
Oh.
So,
I'm
gonna hate it,
Some of them, you all are so cute. You all are so sweet, and I'm missing Ahat.
You won't believe one girl wanted to hit on me, but she thought that Crystal is my girlfriend, so she was like away from me. She was not talking to me.
I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, and then she was like, "Arey, you know what?" I'm like, "What?" They're like, "No, your girlfriend won't like it." I'm like, "Girlfriend?" I said, "Who? Are you crazy or what?" Yeah. Good.
And you know what? I thought you all were dating. That's why I didn't come in the room and disturb you. I'm like, what?
And most of the time we are sharing the room together.
Oh,
Crystal and me. We are like
yeah. It's more fun that way. And plus he gets ghar ka khana for me.
Yeah.
Such a bade.
Crystal had become half Gujarati.
I had become Gujarati. I'm so used to that. I was so used to the Gujarati food that, everything else was spicy for me.
Oh, really? Oh, so sweet. So, That was very nice. I think it's a real dhamakedar, isn't it? Dhamakedar. In this one, we've had
हाँ.
Just like Diwali.
like Diwali, it has to be. So it was such good fun. And I don't know. And what else should I say? I can, next time, Crystal, I'll tell you secrets about Vishal.
Yes, please do.
You don't have to tell my secrets to
Actually,
everything about me.
secrets about him.
My wife wouldn't be knowing
The
things
secret.
about me. Dolly, my wife wouldn't be knowing things about me. That much Crystal knows about me.
I know, yeah.
So,
I'll be adding to your secrets. Don't worry.
Yeah.
so yeah.
He's an open book, isn't he?
Yes, he's an open book.
I know.
So,
And all the forwards that he keeps sending.
yeah, I mean, Crystal doesn't reply to all my forwards. I don't think so she must be reading also.
But I do know.
But some of the forwards I don't send it to her because she will,
No, some I read. I find most of them really funny. All the funny ones he sends me, I think.
Yeah. I reply.
Like there's some double meaning I don't send it to her, but
I
yeah.
reply to everyone. At one of the replies, you know what it was, Crystal, for him? I said, ye BBM mein, why is there no punch smiley? I want to punch you at the PJ sense.
I know. Hey, you're on BBM. I'll add you. I'll take your pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I send your pin contact to Crystal and she'll add it.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's about it. And so again, Vishal, you sing so well. Yeah, sing one more song before we go.
Thank you.
Yes.
Which song should I sing?
Whatever the
I
favorite.
don't sing any song. You're such a good singer.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
Vishal,
but I'm sitting at my friend's place and they're laughing at me like, what, you're holding your phone and you're singing songs, Hazaaron mein meri behan. I'm like, yeah, you won't understand that,
And then Vishal, अभी
Yeah.
तो मेरा मैंने जो अभी पहले I braid, so I have to get that edited out now, ना?
What?
मैंने तो शुरू किया था ना 1000 में का ट्यून आई नाउ आफ्टर यू मेरा वाला तो इतना बेसुरा है यार.
नहीं, all cool.
Vishal, what are you doing on television? Go sing in all these movies.
नहीं यार, I'm happy acting here. I'm better off acting right now.
Okay, now sing fast, jaldi. How much how you'll take?
हाँ.
What song? I don't remember any song right now, yaar. All of a sudden you tell me to sing a song here.
Come on,
Okay, I'll Krishtu knows this song. I'll sing a remix. Okay. It's called Lakdi Ki Kaathiyan aur is dil mein kya. It's like aur is dil mein kya rakha. I'll sing Lakdi Ki Kaathiyan on that tune. Okay. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा दौड़ा घोड़ा दौड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई ने घोड़े की हजामत जो बनाई अरे दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धुम दबा कर दौड़ा घोड़ा धुम दबा कर दौड़ा. Okay, that's it.
Awesome! What a remix!
What a fantastic! कितने लोगों को you have made them proud. Gulzar Saab, R.D. Burman, and whoever composed this.
Yeah.
सबको ना.
Me certain time Gulzar Saab, when I meet him, I want to ask him that, sir, your Hindi is so nice, your diction is so nice, your vocab is so nice. Why? I want to ask him that I heard one of his songs from movie. Yeah, I told Krishtu also. Paniyon ki chite udati hui. Like, how can it be paniyon? It's singular. It has to be pani. It can be water. It can't be water.
Let's meet him.
Maybe.
Yeah, I want to ask him this. Sir, how did you do this blunder?
I'm sure he has something behind. He will have an answer for it.
No, how can he do a blunder? By saying pani.
What you say, lyrical liberty.
Yeah, lyrical liberty, like cinema liberty, lyrical liberty. Yeah, le lo.
Le lo. Liberty.
Liberty.
Okay. I'm sure he'll have an answer for that because I'm sure he's done it with an intention. So if it is such a big blunder, I'm sure it is definitely done with an intention. So और बाकी.
Yeah, maybe I guess so.
आप दोनों और सुनाओ, what else have you? What all you do other things?
other things.
Like suppose,
Huh?
if suppose you're not shooting on a day, then are you lost?
Huh?
You feel like a fish out of
I'm
water.
not shooting, I'm shopping.
Yeah, always Krishna shopping. And you will
I'm
find me snoozing in the house, sleeping, snoring, like, I don't snore, but I'm just saying,
I'm calling him up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and he cannot pick up the phone because he's sleeping.
Yeah, I catch my sleep entirely what all I have missed because of my shooting.
Mm.
So I just sleep, and sleep.
How many hours do you
Yeah,
sleep?
evening I get up, aram se go for a coffee, nice smoke.
Hmm.
That's it. Come back home.
Okay.
Khatam.
Tell
The
me,
day is over.
weekday mein when do you sleep? Because you are like awake even at my midnight. So when do you actually sleep?
Yeah, trust me, I am not sleeping at all. Like 3-4 hours, I get to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So
But then I guess all of our lives are like this.
Yeah,
We get like these
and you're
4
used to
hours
it.
of sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And we're
And that's
very
what
happy
it
with those 4 hours. If I
Yeah,
get to sleep
yeah.
a little more, I'm very irritated the next day. That shit,
Actually.
I don't have slept so much. It's such a waste of a day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, then tell me one
We're so
secret.
used to these 4 hours.
How
of
do you
sleep.
look
Yes.
so fresh, yeah, when you're shooting with such little sleep? How do you look so fresh?
That's why we are actors, no, Dolly?
हमारी सुंदरता का राज.
Everything is seen on the face.
That kind of, yeah. What to do?
I know, but you look as if you have just woken up so fresh and so cool and,
And for all you know, that scene would have been shot at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Actually, man.
I hope you both again get a chance to work together in some show.
Yeah, man. Waiting to start.
Yeah,
So join my Star Parivar.
Yeah, that's why I will know.
you are, no, almost.
Yeah, then we'll go for the Star Parivar award somewhere.
She is such a sister of mine, Dala. We had gone to one of the discotheque over here. She actually sold me off for 10,000 rupees to a girl.
It's not 10,000, okay, 30,000.
30,000. She sold me.
Okay.
And I had no clue about it.
And he didn't have a clue. He was dancing and I'm bidding behind him. How much? And the people down quoting.
Oh, this is
Because we were on the VIP section on top, so everybody could see us.
There's
So
another
when we were
Sarah Khan. Like my friend, it's Krishna's best friend, Sarah Khan. Both of them.
Okay.
Both of them, they are beating from behind and I had no clue what's happening.
Okay.
30,000, we thought, chalo now, let's not be a little too greedy and take it and leave.
Good. Good thing. You all did good thing, I think. So I'm sure.
Yeah, Tony, right.
No, and I'm sure the people who bought him would have said, "Arey baap re, isko kaun jhelega? We'll better send him back."
Arey, isko le liya, so life
30,000 more we will give you all. Please take him back.
That's what it is. So
What days, yeah. Every day we used to have ball of a time. Every day, everything. That 9 months, we don't know that we were shooting. But that 9 months, we knew at the production house, the people and all. Everyone, luckily all the productions where I have worked, the people are so nice. And those people are just so friendly. Very nice. Yeah, boy, adjustment, okay, fine, we'll do it for you all,
I know they used to adjust so much for us.
Nice.
We just used to have fun, that's it.
Nice to hear. And so I think I will let both of you go to your respective parties now, and before your friends come here and start bashing me up, saying, "Ye kya kar rahe hai aap?" So I think it is real good fun talking to both of you. Absolute musty, and that's
Same here.
Same here, Dottie. Always a pleasure talking.
always
Yes.
always a pleasure. And you just hold the line though. And once again, of course, before I let you both go, a happy Diwali to both of you and from all of us at
Same
Indian
to you.
Forum.
Same to you. And happy Diwali, everybody at India TV Forum.
Thank you so much. You hold the line though.
Yeah.
Okay.